guys, welcome to another install video. As you remember from my previous video, I've shown you a bunch of parts that I received, and today we're going to install a strut brace. So let's begin. Alright, so a couple quick notes. The strut brace comes with a couple new bolts. We are going to have to remove one of the strut bolts and the inside brace bolt, and I will show that to you a little closer in just a second. But the black strut, the firewall strut bolt has to be removed and discarded, and we're going to use these longer ones. We're going to need a 13-inch socket and a torque wrench. Okay, so here are the bolts that I was talking to you about. This one is going to get removed and put right back in, and the inside one will be removed and discarded. Okay, now, quick note, what you're going to need again is a torque wrench, and you need to set it to either a 16 foot-pounds or 22 Newton meters, whichever type of torque wrench that you have. I have foot-pounds, so it's up to 16, alright? Alright, you heard the click, one more time, and that's set. Same thing for the other one. Alright. And that's it. Let's do the other side. Okay. Passenger side's done. The strut brace does come with this little aluminum badge. I'm not going to install it right now. I may want to paint it a different color. Not really sure quite yet if I want to do it flat black or something like that. But for now, I'm going to leave it as is. If I don't paint it, I'll go ahead and install this. I mean, it's just to stick on. Anyway, hopefully you guys enjoyed this. Stay tuned for the next video. Probably going to do the intake next. All right, take care.